All right. Live on the tube. TikTok. Good morning, Tube. How's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Ready to make a bag. Come on. Go live. Live trading futures, 5-minute time frame, NQES. Perfect. Bro, my hair is a disaster. I didn't even do it. I just showered. Live trading futures with Brando. Fire. All right, we're live. Bets. Good morning, everybody. Second. See, copy link address. Live. Whoops. Live trading. Member. Cool. As always, if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button. It always helps with the algo. So everybody watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Everybody joining from TikTok, make sure to double tap that screen. Again, both of those really help with the algo, especially when I first go live. So double tap the screen. Everybody on the tube, hit that thumbs up. Follow if you guys are new. Subscribe if you're new, but see if we can catch something today. See if we can catch a nice winning trade. I actually caught something yesterday. It was way, way later in the day. But I literally had just sat down and we hit our demand zone. What is this? Wednesday. This demand zone right here. I caught it for about like 80 points. So we go down to the 5-minute time frame. It was at the end of the day when we hit it. Let's see, that's after right here. So remember, we talked about this level in the stream yesterday. I don't know if you guys were around when we actually hit it. But yeah, as soon as we came down into this and we started to hold it, I went long and I was able to capture a nice move up. Wasn't like the biggest trade in the world, but yeah, it was still a decent trade. So hopefully you guys were able to catch that. Again, we talked about this level all morning yesterday. That was the only spot I wanted to see the market bounce. As far as today, though, we'll go over the watch list here in a little bit. Give everybody like 10 more minutes to join, and then we'll go over the watch list and hopefully make a bag today. So again, if you guys are new, make sure to double tap that screen. Actually, just in general, make sure to double tap the screen on TikTok. Again, it helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. The demand yesterday was drawn from, I believe, an hour. Yeah, hourly time frame. That's what we ended up bouncing off of. Then we formed another one. This was off a 30-minute here, and then we ended up hitting it last night and then nuked. So, yeah. Let's see if we can catch something today. Everybody having a good morning, though? Good morning, everybody. Who we got in here? We got Justin, Vandy, Ray, Hopium, Weiss, or We Is, either or. Let's crush it today, though, fam. Let's catch a banger. Okay. And everybody know that we are live. Bitcoin's really pushing. I seen that this morning when I woke up. That made me happy. Let's see the link. Live trading. What up? Good morning. Just posting this up on the gram, and then I'm ready to go. Again, good morning, everybody. Make sure you guys double tap that screen. I'm going to keep reminding you. Helps a lot, especially when I first go live. So take your phone in your left hand, take your right hand, your pointer finger, and double tap that screen. Also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. If you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into the tube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm live over there right now as well. I'm live on YouTube. Bet. Go. You guys ready to make this bag today or what? Also, if you guys live in Colorado, I need 5 to 10 people for a little in-person teaching that I'm going to do on, I think it was August 8th that I put. Yeah, August 8th. So if you live in Colorado, you want that chance, it's going to be 2 hours. Just hit me up. Hit me up on the gram. I already have like 5 people, so actually we'll be pushing towards 10 people. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning. You guys ready to make a bag today or what? What's up? Toje? Is that how you say it? Let's see. 2J. Bet. Bet. Let's make this bag, baby. Again, if you guys are new, follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. I appreciate your patience yesterday during the chop fest. Appreciate you. Yeah, I didn't see anything in the morning. Saw that demand zone later in the day. So, if we don't have our levels, then we don't take trades. That's all it comes down to. No levels, no trades. Nose all stuffy too. Is there a trade that is currently in play? No. The market isn't open yet. We're not trading near key levels. So no setups. Nothing right now. We'll see though. I like AMD a lot for potential upside, so might watch that for options. And then we'll go over the watch list for ES and NQ here in a little bit, like 7 more minutes. Good morning. And then everybody watching on the tube, is the quality good? Like, is everything clear? Clear and look good? Yup, just gotta stay patient. Patience and high quality setups. Again, the expectations are kind of low just because we have Google and Tesla earnings tomorrow. So the market could just chop until then. Obviously, those are very big earnings that the market is waiting on. So yeah, like I said, expectations are pretty low, but we'll see. See what the market offers. Good morning, Austin. All right, cool. Let's see. Can somebody help me? My pricing in chart show me different prices for NQ. Just pull up the continuous contract. If you're on TradingView, it's NQ1 exclamation point. If you're on Thinkorswim, it's /NQ. But you want to pull up the continuous. Do you have an opinion on what type of candle to use? Just regular candles. I've never used, or do I know how to pronounce the other name of candles? Appreciate the follow, Jay Drake. Pictures, let me. Yep, this is me. I didn't even do my hair. I literally just showered. That's it. Didn't do gel or nothing. You guys get to see Brandon in rare form. I did like 2.5 hours of jujitsu last night too, so I'm like super sore. Was gonna try to go again today after trading, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna need a rest day. Gotten like 4.5 hours of jujitsu since Saturday of just rolling. Again, though, if you guys are new, find that follow button, top left, top right, right? You got your phone, it's probably in your left hand. Take your right hand, pointer finger, find the follow again, somewhere at the top left or top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Live trade every single day for you guys. Every single morning for New York market open. Call out all my trades from start to finish, everything I'm watching for the day. Answer your questions, free education, all that good stuff. So again, make sure you guys are following. Make sure you guys tap in every single morning. Periodically throughout the week, I'll go live for Power Hour as well as Asia. It just depends on what I got going on. Let's get it. I see you in here, Mr. Potter. Good morning. Where'd he go? He wasn't here. There he is. What's up, cuz? We'll go over the watch list here in 5 minutes, everybody. 5 more minutes. Got you, Hellboys. Feel free to ask questions too while we're just showing. I want to give everybody a little more time before we go over the watch list. Again, be patient today. Be patient. You guys want to know some BS too? While we're just sitting here, my AC went out again. It's already having issues. I literally just got it fixed. Paid like $700 to get it fixed like a month ago, I think. Yeah, it's already not working again. So stupid. You don't want to say good morning to me, Potter? Did you leave? He left. Let's see how it is, buddy. What's up, Rich? Good morning, everybody. If you're just tapping in, good morning to you. What's up, Andrew? Let's see, make co-host. Bet. What's up, GD? Bro, my AC is messing up again. Second time, I know. Nah, my boy fixed it. He did it right. It's the builders, whatever they did when they put it in, because I've only lived here for a year. He said like the builders completely screwed it up. Like it was already leaking within a year. They didn't put the right bolts on it, all this other stuff, and now the house won't go below. When it's super hot, won't go below 79. Like it's been this entire week. So should be fun. I think he's coming today at some point. Again, if you guys are new, I'm gonna keep reminding you The AC unit, a year. It's a brand new house. But if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. I'm going to keep reminding you. And if you guys want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades, I'm also live over there right now as well. Full screen view, 1,800 videos, 138,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to tap into the tube, again, Brandon Trades over there. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. Obviously, the goal of these live streams is to help you guys pass your accounts, help you guys get payouts. So, follow, tap in, let's make some money. That's it. Let's see. $7.15. Oh yeah, too. Or also, if you guys are in Denver, I'm doing an in-person event for 5 to 10 people. It's a free teaching on August 8th. So if you guys live in Colorado and you can make it over to Denver, again, August 8th, just shoot me a DM on IG. And, and I already have 5 people, so I need 5 more at most. Just shoot me a DM. That's all you got. All you got to do. Get coffee. I got a ghost. Grape. I wait for market open. It's pretty rare that I take a trade in the pre-market. Can you hear me, Ross? Hello, hello. Let me know. I'm speaking to you directly. Let's get it. What's my thoughts on QQQ, NQ? I mean, let's see. Got to fix your speakers on Zoom. But what's my thoughts on NQ and QQQ? We have earnings tomorrow, Google and Tesla. So again, I think the market's probably going to wait for that. And then, do you always trade the 5-minute time frame? I use the 5-minute time frame to snipe entries off of higher time frame key levels. So Thor. 13 minutes until market open. I will say NQ looks like it wants to go up. It's constantly holding this 8 and 21 EMA. It's squeezing. So honestly, I would not be surprised if it starts to push up here. Would not be surprised. Come to Dallas. Never been to Texas. I don't know, Tex. We got earnings tomorrow. Kind of low expectations today again. We'll see, though. So far, NQ's getting that push up. What other questions we got, everybody? Again, 12 minutes until market opens. $12 minutes. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Double tap that screen as well. It helps a lot with algo. If you're on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Let's make this bag. What indicators do I use? 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP. That's it. And then like, you know, my custom indicator, but it's built off strategy, not like lines. But yeah, that's all I use. NQ demand level is all the way down here. Super far away. 28,721. I doubt that we get down there. It's like 28,721. About like 500 points, 400 points. That's your sixth account. Let's get you to pass it. I'll tell you what though, I cannot wait until we break out of this daily demand zone. Or sorry, daily consolidation. This white line up here is pre-market high. He's talking about AC, and guess what pops up on my tube suggestions? Yup, how to fix AC. That's funny. Yeah, tube is listening. Tube is listening. Yeah, keep asking questions, everybody. What do they do? American Fusion. QQQ doesn't move based off of per point. It would be the contract, how much it would move per dollar. There goes that NQ. Like I said, I had a feeling it would push up. Probably back up into these highs right here. 1, 2, 3. Nine minutes, everybody. Again, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. Honestly, the game plan is pretty much just a break and retest. Mine's the verified one. So if it has the blue check mark, that's the right one. But honestly, just the break and retest of pre-market high is probably what I would watch both on ES and NQ. Just don't have any key levels. No demands. Demands super far away. Do you know how long do they give you to pass the Lucid account? Too many questions. A month. They're all about a month. What website are you using? I use Thinkorswim for charting as well as options. And then when I trade futures, I trade it through Tradeivate. So Thinkorswim as well as Tradeivate. But yeah, break in retest at pre-market highs. That's it. I like AMD too. Let's get this bag, everybody. What are you watching today, GD? I didn't hear you, so I need you to repeat it. No, I didn't. I can hear you right now. Because my speakers are messed up and you talk quiet like a mouse. Hold on. Bro, my speakers are all the way up. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Talk now. There we go. All right, what are you watching, bud? I'm watching a break and retest of pre-market high. Fire. For me, break and retest a pre-market high as long as we don't do it before market open. So 29,207. Yep, thinkorswim. Correct. You need help with what? We already like went back into that symmetrical triangle on NQ. And we're above it right now. And again, if you guys are watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. We got about 120 of you in here and only 40 likes. So about a third of you guys have hit that like button so far. So yeah, make sure you guys hit it. Helps a lot with the algo. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you double tap the screen, follow, both of those things help with the algo as well. The more people we get in here, the more fun it is. You have a question about shooting stars? Let's hear it. They go through the sky. They're pretty cool. Like I said, had a feeling that NQ would go up in the pre-market. Indeed it is. About like 30 points. 30-ish. Have I used TradingView? Yes, but I don't really like it. I'll use it for like when I do videos and stuff. But other than that, I I personally don't use it on a daily basis. I was told they have short top wicks and long bottom wicks. Is that true? Or is it the opposite? Shooting star? You mean a doji? Star candle. No, they're reversals. They're just inverse hammers at the end of the day. So inverse hammer, long upper wick when we go into a key level. I never call them shooting stars though. I just call them inverted hammers or gravestone dojis. Three minutes until open. There we go. Getting above. Already getting above that pre-market high, everybody, on NQ. I was hoping we would wait, but we'll see. Have a good one, Wes. Remember, as always, trade safe, trade smart. A+ setups only. Let the market come to you. And remember that there's earnings tomorrow, Google and Tesla, so my expectations are low. Let's get it. This is NQ that I'm watching. If we hold above pre-market high, yes, I'm looking for a continuation. So I'm very, very new to this. How do I know what order type to use and what quantity to use? I would do more research. Again, go on the tube, type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. 138,000 subs, 1,800 videos. Get out of here with your spam, bruh. You're outie. Bum. What we got? 20 seconds. What are you guys watching, Team Bull? What you got on radar? How many websites do you need to trade? I only use 2. You got Thinkorswim and Tradeovate. That's it. Ding, ding, ding. Retesting this pre-market high already on NQ. Wouldn't be surprised if it just rips off the open. Would not be surprised. See if it can hold that pre-market high. ES is actually at that pre-market high. Rejected off of it. See if NQ can reclaim it. Very hard to reject. AMD is above the level, though. Let's see, AMD. See, we get a 5-minute candle close above 526.71. Yep. Tons of free education on my tube channel. So again, make sure you take advantage of it. Win rate varies. You know, some weeks we'll hit 80%, some weeks it could be 50, 60%. So honestly, it really varies. But the only thing that's important is your R multiple. And then I trade my own capital as well as fundeds. See if it's a failed break above those pre-market highs. There you go. If you're for real about learning, his videos make understanding fast. Make it easy to understand fast. Exactly. CAMD. Damn, spreads are 100 wide. This thing is tripping. 535. See if the spread's narrow. But I am very interested in AMD. Very interesting opening candle. Projected right off that pre-market high on ES, so if we can get above it, I like more upside. The dotted line is the 21 EMA. '21 EMA. Big old red candle. Got 1 minute till this AMD candle closes, but 5 minutes not looking so hot. It's potentially going to close below the level. Yeah, it did. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Find the follow button top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Live trade every single day for you guys in the morning. So again, make sure you guys hit that follow if you want to tap into my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm also live over there right now as well. Yeah, Brandon Trades on the tube. 138,000 subs, 1,800 videos, live trading, all that good stuff. So again, Brandon Trades on the tube. Watching this 2 minute on AMD. See if we hold above that 527. Bro, what are these candles? Bruh. I look at AMD for like 2 seconds, and NQ is already back at pre-market high. I guess let's see if we get a 5-minute candle close above pre-market high. Maybe look for more upside. Very hard rejection off of that. What? I don't know. Do we have news today? We didn't have a lot of news this week. I know that. Just Fed speaker at 9. Nothing tomorrow besides earnings. Yes. Looking weak. NQ's trying to pop back up. Yeah, let's just stay patient, everybody. Wait for a high quality setup. Yup. No news, but we got earnings tomorrow. Yeah, either paper trade or funded account if you're new. That's what I would say. What are we watching? NQ, if it can close above pre-market high, would like to see more continuation, as well as ES if it can get above pre-market highs at 75.30. So we'll see. But that's what I'm watching. And again, we have about 200 of you on the tube right now and only 68 likes. So less than half of you guys have hit that like button. So make sure you guys do that. Again, I live trade for you guys every single day for completely free. All you got to do is join. All you got to do is join. But if you hit the follow, it'd be greatly appreciated as well. Might just wait for a 30-minute range. See, we opened pretty much at 7,500 on SPX. Rejected off of that. Pretty close to it, about like 8 points off, but be interested if we got back up above the moving averages on NQ. VWAP's pretty far away. Something like that. Sarah 30-minute orbs probably our best bet, to be honest. This AMD is constantly holding that pre-market high, though. It's just the market's weak, so I don't know why AMD would be strong. I'd like to see if we get above these moving averages on NQ. Personally looking for buys, to be honest, on NQ. Potential longs, we'll see. See how this 5-minute candle closes. That AMD is strong, though, when... Let's see. QQQ. Again, I would like to see it get back up above those moving averages, but we'll reevaluate here in a little bit. Depends. Can you explain how the right chart, or on the chart on the right book map, it just shows me where buyers and sellers are. That's it. Where are the buyers and sellers at in the market? Would be better to incorporate scalping short-term spikes into your orb trading because you're missing out on easy scalps. That's not how I trade, so I don't care. If the market moves 10 points, 20 points on NQ, you know, cool. But that's not how I trade. I'd prefer to take 1 to 2 high quality setups a day instead of, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8 scalps. So looks like we're gonna potentially close below these moving averages though. So no yeah, we're gonna close below. Let's see. I think we're trading at the ES pre-market low. Right here. Maybe a break and retest of this low on ES. We'll see. AMD is still holding that level. How do you invest? You just have to open up a long-term account with a broker. There's a bunch. Robinhood, M1 Finance, Thinkorswim, Vanguard, you know, all of those. Look for the break and retest below this low on ES. Got 15 minutes until our 30-minute orb. Again, if you guys are new too, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. While we're just chilling and waiting for a potential setup, make sure you guys hit that follow. VWAP, mine's just default. I'm actually surprised this AMD is holding up. I think it's just going to push. But I don't like that candle. The very first candle, it might do it though. I want to watch this next 5-minute candle close on AMD. And then if we pull back into the moving averages, I'm going to watch potential longs. Oh, why is my mic muted? How long have I been muted? Bruh, sitting here talking to you guys. That AMD is really pushing. Dang. Oh. I was saying, have Felicia have him message me on IG. I was saying I was watching AMD for a potential call entry, but it's pushing. Market's weak, but AMD's pushing for some reason. I was also saying if you guys were watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm live over there right now as well. 1,800 videos, 138,000 subs. The goal is to hit 150,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know we can do it. So make sure you guys come tap into the tube. Brandon Trades on the tube. We're gonna get our 30-minute orb here in 9 minutes. AMD's just nuking. Let's see. Again, just stay patient, everybody. See if we get below this pre-market low or this previous low on ES. And then a potential pop up, and we can look to short it. One second. Bro, that AMD is ripping. If it would have had a better 5-minute candle to start, I would have been way more interested. It is what it is. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right, while we're just chilling. What do I think of South Korea's stock market crash? Honestly, paid zero attention to it. What's up, Bartlett? MACD indicator I don't use. I don't know what ST is. So neither of them. What platform do I use? Thinkorswim as well as Tradeovate. The 535s were like $800 a piece. I'm ripping everything, bro. They don't want to admit it. Yeah, where is LBJ? He's fishing. Nice. I was about to say I'm gonna message him, see where he's been. What? It's like, again, expectations are very low, everybody. Just stay patient and wait. Wait for a high quality setup. We got Google and Tesla earnings tomorrow. So honestly, kind of expected the market to chop and suck, but we'll see. I only market order personally. I don't like doing limits because, you know, if you do a limit and you're 0.25 off and it never hits it, then you're sitting there with your nuts in your hand like, damn, I should have just market ordered, you know? What's my phone at? 94% good enough. What? It's a long question. We are waiting after a breakout and close outside the room. Pre-market. How do you distinguish? Just watching to see how we react, and then also the order flow. If it's a quick reaction off of it, then that shows that, you know, buyers or sellers are present. And then obviously, if we piece it together with the order flow, we can visually see that. About to run into this VWAP on NQ. Still within the 30-minute orb. AMD literally sold off everything. $0.75. There's a decent amount of buy orders down here. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow. I'm going to keep reminding you. Super close to VWAP. You guys take any trades yet? Anybody on TikTok or Tube? Any trades? Or is everybody staying patient like they should be? You already took 3 trades. You're on a short based off the 5-minute orb. It's working so far. Hopefully you get more downside. You took longs. All right. 30-minute orb will close in 45 seconds. Got super close to VWAP. We're starting to bounce. Would have liked to see if we actually hit it. Price is coming back up. Hmm. Close above the moving averages on ES. Be interested to see how we close on this 5 minute if we hold above the moving averages. If we can do that, I like the possibility of longs. We are in chop. That's what we're in. Again, I want to see how we close on this 5 minute. Close above the five or close above the moving averages on the 5 minute on NQ. I would like to see a pullback for potential longs. And again, for all the new people that are joining the stream right now, make sure you guys hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Top left, top right, somewhere up there. Take a finger. Make sure you guys click it. Live trade for you guys every single morning. So all you got to do is follow and join. $5.25. Yeah, but we already sold off like everything on AMD, so I wouldn't even consider it anymore. What time frame do I use? 5 and 2 minute for my entries, but everything is based on higher time frames. And we're selling it back off. Nice. How long have I been trading? Since 2017. Late 2017, so almost 9 years. Yeah, Wes, I've been adding bull to my long term. I like it. You just wait, buddy. It's gonna be 25 to 30 bucks one day. Mm-hmm. I'm just start selling cash secured puts here in a little bit on it. My millionaire? Nah, I got $5 to my name. That's it. Just $5. Broke as could be. We're about to trade down into VWAP though, so let's see what happens. Tesla's earnings tomorrow, so the contracts are probably out the ass. Or you don't want to touch VWAP or what? Just dipped right into those buy orders, came right back up. Super close to this VWAP. I'm going to see if we hit it. Definitely some volume coming in. I think there's some absorption going on down here. Didn't quite hit it. Okay, now we're about to hit it. And this is the first time we're touching it since like 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. last night. So I'm curious to see if they hold it. So far, they are. Yeah, they're going to hold it. I like these ES longs potentially too, but again, the only issue with that is NQ being below the moving averages. Like we might just get a quick pop off of this VWAP. To watch this next, if this ES candle can close bullish on the 5 minute, I want to watch the next pullback. But we literally just bounced straight from VWAP up into the ADMA, and then we're starting to come back down. Could potentially be a way out. Again, make sure you tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, though. Tons of free education over there. $5.25 on what? Oh, AMD. The slippage. Slippage on what? Got 200 of you on the tube today. Let's go, baby. Again, as always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Obviously, the goal of these live streams, get you guys funded, get you guys payouts, and teach you guys the discipline and patience that you need as a trader to be profitable. So, yeah, right now, not seeing a whole lot. If we don't get a trade, we don't get a trade. Remember, I've been talking about it yesterday and today. The expectations of today and tomorrow, or sorry, today and yesterday have been very low. Honestly, probably even tomorrow too, until we get the earnings. So, we just got to stay super patient. If we do take something, it's lighter size because the market's been very choppy and we have earnings tomorrow. So we have to take that into account. We are holding VWAP again, though. Drop right into it. Buyers bought it up. ES is still looking bullish, though. This is NQ right now. Dow is bullish. Russell. I mean, Dow's up today. Sitting on this VWAP right now on NQ. We are retesting the 30-minute orb on NQ. The only issue is we're literally sitting on VWAP. And ES still looks bullish. Watch, it's going to work. Bet you it is. You have your sister's wedding soon and you're trading? Yeah, VWAP is at 0.80 or 0.79. So we're like literally on top of it right now. If we get below VWAP and still reject off this 30-minute orb, I think I'd be interested. In shorts. If I do take it, it's going to be lighter size, though, just given the chop. It's a community indicator on Trade so you have to somehow find it. They don't have it yet for some reason. As of right now, we're trying to pop back up above this 30-minute orb. So if we close above it, not valid. Oh, there you go. It's under volume based. Have a good one. I appreciate you tapping in. Again, if you guys are new on the TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hit the follow. Top left, top right corner. If you want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades, I'm live over there right now as well. 138,000 subs, 1,800 videos, all that good stuff. So again, Brandon Trades on the tube. Or, everybody, if we close bullish on this ES candle and then we pull back into the moving averages, I like the potentials for long, or like the potential for longs. Target high day out of it. It's a bad time to have to pee. All right, nice 5-minute candle close. See if we can pull back into like 16, make it support. I like the idea for longs with a stop below 16. This area. I want to see if they can buy it up. Again, we got to get back up above 16 for me to be interested. Looks like it is not going to do it. Well, I'm going to go pee real quick while the market figures out what it wants to do. I'll be back. TikTok, YouTube, got to pee. All right, I'm back. Let's do this. Back, T-Bo. Trying to pop back up above these moving averages. Again, I do want to watch this for longs. I'm going to try some right here. MES longs. Some right here I'm willing to add if we dip back down into 16 or stop will be below 16. $25.5 will be our first trim, and then high a day will be our second trim. We're already up a few points right here. Let's see if we can get more. There we go. Bro, I got one tick off of my trim. Get up there, buddy. A single tick off the trim. See if we can get it. If this thing does not hit it, honestly, it's a piece of shit. Come on. A little bit more. 1.5. You can do it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Trim number 1 filled, everybody. I'm going to put my stop at break even. I do not trust this market, so I'm going to just take what it gives me. If that's all we get, that's all we get. But that was our 1-to-1 risk reward. Took off half my position. See if we get more upside. Come on. Did you guys take it? Catch a little something, something? Yeah. I mean, I'll take a base hit with this choppy price action. Again, keep your stop at break even, hard stop. I just don't trust this choppy market. So if that's what we get, that's what we get. And I'm out. Wow. Amazing. What? Yeah, that was 5 points. 5 points off my entry. But I'll take literally a single today. Single base hit. I'm on first plate. This market is why I have trust issues. Yeah, make sure you guys go post your whopping 1 point gain today. We could potentially bounce this moving average again and push up. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. Still think the higher probability setup is ES above pre-market high for the break and retest. There is a good chance we bounce off this moving average, though. AMD, I don't care about it anymore. I'm gonna restart the TikTok, everybody. So if you guys want to tap back in, then just join back. But I'm gonna restart it. Let's see. Go live. Cool. All right, we're back. We are good. But yeah, if you guys got them, post them up. It'd be appreciated. Tesla's on a ripper today, too. It's up $12, $13. Honestly, everybody, I would not be surprised if ES goes back to high day. I would not be surprised. Let's see, post edit. Let's get this bag. Let's find another trade. Break above pre-market high and retest is the higher probability setup. I think it's going to GD. Looks like it wants it. Yeah, if you guys are just if you guys are just joining the TikTok, make sure to double tap that screen. It helps a lot, especially when I first go live. So again, take your finger and double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. And if you're new, make sure to hit that follow button. But bare minimum, double tap, because again, it helps a lot with the algo when I first go live. Just caught a 1 winning trade on ES. See if we can make it 2 today. See if we can make it 2. Yep, it's going to do it. Yep. I had a feeling it would. See, we break this pre-market high, everybody. Pre-market high, 30-minute orb, all that confluence we have there. I was tight there. What is that supposed to mean? Should I be scared? Input eye drops in. My eyes are super dry. Yeah, I had a feeling, it's just the market's been so choppy and these like random up and down moves have been, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, we're just getting like super unexpected, quick pushes up and down, which is why I'm very conservative when I'm trading right now. We got a little over a 1-to-1 risk to reward, took the trim, half my position, stop loss at break even, stopped out the rest, at break even, unfortunately. And now we're pushing back up. But again, it's one of those markets where we just have to be super careful. So if I take another trade, I'll risk, probably about like half my profits. So it'd be a super, super small size, but risk about half my profits. That way, I'm guaranteed green. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. We already got one winning trade today. One winning trade. Let's see if we can make it 2. Hey Chris, make sure you post up that Lucid payout when you get it. Make sure you post it up. But yeah. Take your finger, everybody. Hit that follow button, top left, top right. All right, this is the move I wanted to happen when we were actually in the position. So get a very strong 5-minute candle close above these 2 levels. I want the pullback to try longs. Hell yeah, Chris. If you guys got them, make sure to post and hashtag post your gains. Tag me in GD. Again, I want this above the 30-minute orb. Did you guys catch anything on the tube? Anything good? Any good trades outside of ES? Got 30 seconds for this candle to close. All right, really nice candle close here. I would still like to see more upside before we pull back and test it. It's probably just going to test it now, though. Take Profit Trader is my favorite prop firm. But if you want to test out, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps, BRANDON. It'll always get you the best possible discount. But out of those four, Take Profit Trader is my favorite. Code Brandon will get you 40% off, no activation fee. See if we get more upside on this. Yeah, this is ES right now. Don't really have a whole lot on NQ until we get above that high at 250, 246. No, I'll say if I take it. Again, ideally, I would like a bigger push up and then the pullback and retest instead of us testing it right now. This is what we want. I use Thinkorswim. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Live trade for you guys every single morning. I can guarantee you, not all of you are following. So find the follow, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Make sure you guys also tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live. Subscribe to the channel, watch my videos, 1,800 videos, 138,000 subs. And the goal is to hit 150,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I think we can do it. But BrandonTrades on the tube if you guys want to tap in. Only if I help you win a trade. Well, if you were just here, I would have. You joined late. But I live trade every single day. Of course, we're going to come back and test it right now. So I guess we will see if there's a reaction. I just don't like that we're pretty overextended to the upside right now. We do have some buyers here, so let's see how they react if they're able to hold the level. If anything, we might have to wait for NQ. I'm not a big fan of this 5-minute candle either. Yeah, tons of videos on Bookmap. If you go on the tube and you type in BrandonTrades Bookmap, I'll pop right up. Bunch of videos. Yeah, not a big fan of that last 5-minute candle, everybody. So no entry on this ES yet. I mean, if you really, really like it, your stop would be below 30. So you can risk like 2 points, but being very, very picky in this market. Watch it still push the high day. Bro, what is that picture? Are you here, Judy? You're quiet. You gotta make sure you guys hit that follow, top left, top right. Hit that follow, top left, top right. Live trade every single day for you guys. So you guys are in the right place. If you're looking to learn about trading, you've been learning, but you're struggling. Even if you're, you have a little more experience and you're still struggling, this is the place to be. Free education, live trades. I call out everything start to finish. This place to be for sure. So again, make sure you guys hit that follow button, top left, top right. Tap in every single morning, 30 minutes before market open. I go live. Make sure to check out my tube channel as well, BrandonTrades. Breaking below this 30-minute orb though, like I said, didn't really like that 5-minute candle. So I think NQ is probably our best bet. One minute, that's too much candles forming. It doesn't give you a clear picture of what's happening. Questions while we're chilling? Tube or TikTok? Any questions while we're chilling? Any questions? Type them up. Bro, my eyes are like so dry today. About to hit this 8 EMA on ES. We're at it right now. See if I can hold. It's 24, 25 level. We do have a squeeze, and we are pulling back to the 8 EMA on NQ as well. So that's potentially something I'd be interested in. Contracts on QQQ for tomorrow are expensive. $30-minute orb is definitely our best bet for NQ. I tried it on ES. It didn't want to hold. So now we have to watch it on NQ. Because now the 30-minute orb on ES is invalid. I actually like that setup. You gotta make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're new. Hit that follow. Live trade every single day for you guys. Top left, top right corner, wherever it is. Take your finger, your right pointer finger. Make sure you guys click it and tap in every single morning with me. Appreciate it. Let's see if we can get a little lower into these moving averages at 181. 180, give or take. See if they buy it up and hold it. And then we can target a high day. Right here is the level that I'm watching for potential longs. Watching this with you, Mr. GD. It's like the lower level that I would like to see price at before they buy it back up. If they lose this like 160 level, then the trade's no longer valid. GD's in the longs. I haven't taken it yet. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try this. Nice. I'm in this with you. See if we get that push up, buddy. Nice. Yeah, just make sure you guys manage your positions based on your entry. GD got a better entry than I did. I'm looking for a little more of a pop up for my first trim. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my first trim right here. I personally took a trim up. Shit. Yeah, I personally took a trim up here. Good shit, my boy. I'd like to see a high day out of this. Nice. Personally trimming again. Yup. 2 for 2 today, baby. Let's go. 2 for 2 today. There we go. Bro, fire. Fuck yeah. That was a beautiful trade. You guys make money off of that? TikTok too. Took it right back up into high day. That's what we wanted. Stop losses at break even. Gonna see if we can capture more upside. But beautiful day. Beautiful day so far. 2 for 2. That was fire. 2 for 2, baby. Hey, if you guys got them, make sure to post in hashtag post your gains. Tag me in GD. You're going to pick a winner for an account today. It was a really nice pullback into the moving averages with that squeeze. The same reason why we took that ES. Two for 2. If guys were able to make money off of that, or if you guys want trades like that, exactly what I just did. Said exactly what I was watching, exactly where I was getting in, when I was trimming, etc. All you guys have to do is hit that follow button and join every single morning. I go live 30 minutes before New York market open, call out all my trades from start to finish. So again, make sure you guys hit that follow button, top left, top right, and tap in. That's all you got to do. Top left, top right, tap in. If you guys ever need accounts as well, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. How'd you miss it? How'd you miss that trade on the tube? 2 for 2 today. 2 winning trades. Fire day on the live. Everything called start to finish. Whoops. Bruh. We're back up above that high on ES. I think we will. Just got to hold above that 30-minute orb high. We're good. Yeah, 2. 2 is enough for sure. Again, make sure you guys keep posting them up. I'm gonna choose a winner here in a little bit. Give you guys like 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna post or choose a winner from Post Your Gains. See if we get another new high. Again, the stop loss is at break even. Worst case scenario, I stop out the rest at break even. What the heck? Pointing above that 30-minute orb again on ES. We'd like to see if we get above it on NQ. It could, for sure. It's just, it's got to get accepted above that level. If it can, we're getting way more upside. How much money you guys make on the tube and TikTok? Type it in the chat. How much you guys make either off the ES trade or the NQ trade? How much you guys make? Or how much are you up today? Called both those trades start to finish. No hindsight, no after the fact. Said exactly what I was watching, exactly when I got in, and exactly what I was doing in the position. So, how much you guys make? 570 from both. Tube, there's a delay, so let's see what they say. Ross made 400, 1600. Who else? 400, 1600. Kmas. I think we're going to go into a new high. 235. Who else? 400. Fire. 1200. Fire. 235. I think I already said that. 1K. 840, 192, 3000. 1478. Keep them coming. Who else made money? Again, if you're watching on TikTok, make sure you guys going over to my tube channel, Brandon Trades. I teach my strategy over there. Brandon Trades on the tube. Also, make sure you guys hit your follow button on TikTok as well. 600 only on the first trade, didn't catch the second one. 4650. Anybody else? Anybody else? 3450. A 50K Vanquish. I think I'm actually eligible for my payout on Vanquish. Request that bitch today. I'm gonna pick a 50K Apex winner as well. Five. I mainly trade with TPT. So the most they can do is 5. And again, if you guys are ever looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. Who's a better trader, me or Jadon? I don't compete with anybody. I don't care. Realistically, I don't care if, you know, let's say, I'm not even going to name names, but trader A, trader B, trader C. I don't care if I'm better than A, B, or C. I just care about myself. That's it. So I guess that's up to you. That's up to your opinion at the end of the day. But realistically, I don't care trying to be better than others. They use, it's called like Trade Copia or something like that. There's a few apps that you can link all of them. If I was trading 50 accounts at once, I'd probably have a heart attack. So I ain't going to try that. Two winners. Good morning. You're late. If you guys haven't either, make sure you guys go follow me on the gram, Brandon Trades. If you ever have questions outside of these live streams, you guys can always shoot one over or shoot a question over in my DMs. I'm still like super tired today. I don't know why. I mean, you can use the 10 minutes, up to you. I used to use it all the time, but now I mainly just trade the 5 minute. Still looking for more upside. I still think we won it. It looks like it's going to. Every time we dip down, they buy it back up. Again, my stop is just at break even. 2 very nice wins. See if we can capture more. I think we're about to get it. Yes. If we got a 5-minute candle close above the 30-minute orb, yes, you could watch it because we haven't gotten that 5-minute candle close above yet. ES, we already did it, and then we failed to hold above it. Therefore, it's not valid anymore. But NQ, it has not. Yeah, we've been in longs. Okay, only if you tell me when to stop. All right, let me know when. No, I'm doing it to you first, fool. All right, I'm gonna scroll. Hold on 1 second. All right, I'm scrolling. I'm scrolling. Tell me when to stop. Let's see. T dot dot dot. Bro, why you sat there and just told me to stop? All right. The winner is TM Vang. TM Vang. Check your DMs. All right, you ready? All right. Start scrolling. Stop. Bet. It's another perk of being in the Discord, everybody. Account giveaways. Every single day that we have a winner, we give away accounts. So if you guys want to join the Discord, here's the link right here. Whoops. Here's the link right here. And you can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll get you 50% off your first month. So again, here's the link. Code Brandon, all caps, 50% off your first month. If you don't like it, I'll refund you. $40. That's all it is for the first month. So if you can't make $40 in your first month and you absolutely hate it, I will personally refund you $40. So if you're watching on YouTube, link is right there. If you're watching on TikTok, the link is in my bio. Just go hit the beacons, hit the Discord, and then fill out your information and use code Brandon in all caps for 40% off. Code Brandon. Beautiful day, though. We had like total, I think about like 12,000 people spread across TikTok and Tube, which is fire. Appreciate the follow. And again, if you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there. I'm stopped out the rest, everybody, on my longs. Stopped out the rest. Beautiful trade. Two for two. Two for two. What questions you guys got? Peace out, Brody. Now you guys are stuck with me. How's it feel? Amazing, scary. Jeez. Powerful. I like it. Do I trade on Robinhood? Very rarely. If I like only have my laptop, then I'll usually execute off of Robinhood. But you know, if I'm at this main setup, it's Trade or Thinkorswim. So what's up, Team Bull? We made the best of today's price action. Honestly, I had very low expectations, but you know, two for two, I'll take it. A trade at the moment, nothing. We already took our trades today and we're not at any key levels. I would say, you know, if you're going to look for a trade, you want to get above this blue line right here and look for price pullback and retest it. So 30-minute orb high, break, retest, longs. You have helped me curb my random trades and only taking trades once they hit. Then good. Good. That's what I like to hear, tax trades. Everybody doing good today, I'm assuming. Vibing, chilling, making bread. Yeah, it's a tough market to even scalp. I mean, I don't like scalping to begin with, but yeah, best thing you can do is just wait for A plus opportunity. Nice. Was gonna go to the gym today, but I'm gonna force myself to take a rest day. Best place to start, or app to start. Depends if you want to trade options or futures, to be honest. Make sure you guys check out my tube channel though. Everybody on TikTok. My tube is Brandon Trades. 1,800 videos, 138,000 subs. Make sure you guys come tap in. Now it's going to give that push up. Trying to break above that 30-minute orb. $20 to $30 trades a day. That's crazy. 5 to 10 is still a lot too. We're going to get you down to 1 to 2. I mean, if you really wanted something else to watch, it would be this 30-minute orb. I don't know if I'll take it. Typically, I don't like taking 3 trades a day. It's not to say I won't, but it's pretty rare. The app that I have pulled up right now is Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab. Great morning. Yes, sir. Pretty big break that we're getting here. I guess we can watch it, depending on this 5-minute candle close. If I take it literally, I'll just risk like a little bit of profit. Very big break above this 30-minute orb. Okay. Got the 5-minute candle close. Look to see if we get a pullback. Or if price just continues to nuke. see if we get it. I mean, I have no resistance, so we'll see. Why do I love Thailand? I never said anything about Thailand. No, it's my Discord. I'm under Team Bull. So I have my own whole separate Zoom within it. Bruh. Chance stupid, bruh. No Thai girls over here. Did I take any trades today? You see this? Yes, 2. But yeah, wanna be, gonna be. If you use that link and you use code Brandon, it's under Team Bull, but I have my own Zoom. See if we get this pullback. And again, if you guys are watching on TikTok and you haven't hit that follow button yet, top left, top right, take your pointer finger, right? Find the follow button somewhere up there. Make sure you guys hit it. Live trade every single day. New York market open for the first like hour and a half, 2 hours. Answer questions, call out trades, all that good stuff. So again, all you have to do is hit that follow button and tap in every single morning. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon, all caps. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon. Yes, I am in Team Bull, indeed. I have my own Zoom link in there. See if we get the pullback. What questions you guys got while we're just chilling? I don't watch gaps. I watch daily gaps, but I'm assuming you're referring to a fair value gap. I don't watch those. How much money do you need to get started? I mean, honestly, you could buy a funded account for like $40. So not much. The barrier to entry now is way lower than it used to be back in the day. If I were to take the 30-minute orb, if it pulled back and actually tested right here, my first target would be high day, and then after that, it's just watching price action. No supply zones. My zoom is showing the exact two screens that you guys see right here, but full screen. You guys only see like half the screen. I took ES longs earlier and then NQ longs earlier. Called them both out. Sounds pretty homo. T animal. And Isaac, I mean, there's no price targets right now. There's no supply zones. Most I made in a day is 32,000 on an option swing. Let's see if we get this pullback. Come on now. Bro, these Instagram spammers are so annoying. See if we can get this pullback. Might do it. Potentially. I've already taken 2 trades, so might not take it, but you know, if you want to watch it, it's definitely a valid setup. What are we watching? 46, about 30 points away. Yeah. I think I'm probably going to call it a day, everybody. If you really want to watch something, again, it would be that 30-minute orb retest down at, what is it? 29246. But I'm respectfully going to fuck off. 2 winning trades on a day that I did not expect a whole lot. So let's do it again tomorrow. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, Make sure you guys use code Brandon. But good stuff today, everybody. I might be on for Asia tonight. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. But yeah. Peace out, fam. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys then. All right, TikTok and YouTube. As always, make sure you guys hit that follow button. Hit that subscribe button as well. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure to tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. 2 winning trades, called out both of them, start to finish. No hindsight, no after the fact, everything live in real time. Before we ever even hit the levels, I said exactly what I was watching, exactly when I was entering, all that good stuff. So again, if you guys have not already, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. And if you're watching on TikTok, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. 138,000 subscribers, 1,800 videos, all that good stuff. So everybody have a good one. Again, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use code Brandon in all caps. And I'll talk to everybody tomorrow.